In the box, you also get a lens cleaner and wipe. This one is a bit of a more flexible plastic. What's up everybody, my name is Sean, welcome to my tech channel. So today is an exciting day. It is the grand reopening of the Apple's Fifth Avenue store in New York, which now with the expansion they have done is the largest store in the world. I picked up my iPhone 11 Pro Max. I have done another unboxing video, so I'll put a link up here. Make sure check it out. But I just want to show you guys some of the case options you have. When you go ahead get your brand new phone with the matte finish, I know you definitely want to show off the color, so a clear case is a common go-to case for many people. So I have 3 different cases at 3 different price points for you to be able to decide which one would be a better choice for you. I have a case for $5 from Five Below. I have a Spigen case for $20, and then I have the iPhone case for $50. Let's go ahead, open them up, compare the colors, compare the fit, and I'll give you my opinion. So first, let's start with the cheapest case that we have. So right off the bat, I'll tell you, just like what I would expect, the unboxing experience, it's nothing fun or pleasant. Take a look. So this is a little bit not very flexible. It has some protective corners on the side, and also the 4 edges, they have these small lips that is raised, and I suppose that is going to protect the camera lenses. I don't like the fit, honestly, which is what I expected from a $5 case. It seems a little bit too tight. Yeah, this definitely is not a good fit, and I will be definitely returning this one. Let's go ahead, open up the Spigen case. I've had Spigen products in the past, and I've been very satisfied with their units. In the box, you also get a lens cleaner and wipe. This one is a bit of a more flexible plastic. This one is a bit of a more flexible plastic piece. This has a very nice snug fit to it, and I like the fact that I can see the light shining through the edges, and it's not taking away from the look and feel of that green color. I'm not sure if you can see it or not. Now, the edges in the back, they're not raised similar to the other case. However, the back of it itself is raised enough that it is covering the lenses for you. So this one definitely gets a recommendation from me. Now let's open up the Apple case and see what that looks like. Just like any other Apple products, the unboxing is very pleasant. It is a little bit stiffer than the Spigen case. So this is the Apple case. This is the Spigen case. The Apple case is 100% clear, so the Spigen case has this kind of like a mesh feel and pattern in the back of it, which makes it, when you look through it, not be as clear. So I don't know if you guys can kind of like take a look at my face side by side. You can see this is the Apple case that is more clear, and this is the Spigen case. So the Apple case compared to the Spigen is definitely a lot more clear. The other difference between the two cases are Apple case, the bottom is open, so sometimes it's easier to try to put it on different chargers. However, this part of your stainless steel is exposed to potential scratches, but with the Spigen case, you have that protection at the bottom. My final conclusion, looking at all these three lenses, personally, because of their price as well as having the protection at the bottom, I'm gonna go and use the Spigen case on my phone. But I have used and have several other Apple cases. As a matter of fact, the case I have on my XS Max is an Apple case. So, but I'm not a big fan of having the bottom piece open. So this is it, guys. This is a short video comparison of three different clear cases at three different price points for your iPhone 11 Pro Max. Let me know what you guys think. Give me some feedback whether you like this video or not. And if you enjoy tech content like this and you have not subscribed yet, please consider doing so. And if you're a return subscriber, thank you so much for watching this video. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.